4 eastern flank of Cadres of Government of People's Republic of Nagaland Eastern were killed by suspected armed members of rival group at Hongbei village under Kasom Kulen block in Kamjong district on March 28 night. As per information received by SKTV, the incident happened around 9 p.m. in the possible case of mistaken identity or alleged internal feud within the group. According to reliable sources, the victims were attacked as soon as they reached Hongbei village along Imphal to Kasom Kulen road while they were inside the vehicle. Out of the 6 occupants, 2 managed to escape while the other 4 were killed on the spot. As per the sources, the victims are identified as Captain Sochipem from Marau village, Surgeon Azarai from Halang village, Corporal Vanhalai from Eastern Nagaland and Corporal Tansomi from Mapao village. However, the reason for the attack cannot be ascertained until the time of filing this report. The Kasom Kulen police has conducted spot inquiry on March 29 morning following the incident.